Here I have CUBOT X30, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly you have to open contacts on your device, then select contact which you want to add photo, tap edit contact, and then tap on the photo icon to change photo. Then you have an option to take photo or choose photo if you already taken it. Then you just select photo and tap done, and then tap save, and the image is added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.